In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the One range, which is our range of sewage treatment plants, and talk through how each system works so you know which one is right for your project. We have 3 different systems in our range. We have our One2Clean, our One2Clean Xtra, and our One Advanced. Let's start with the One2Clean. This system is our standard plant and is ideal for self-built homes and residential properties, starting from 5 population, scaling up to 19 population system. What makes the One2Clean system stand out is its simplicity. It has no moving parts or mechanical components inside the tank, which means fewer things can go wrong and helps make maintenance much simpler. The system is also extremely efficient. It uses as low as 0.63 kilowatt hours per day, which is around half the energy consumption of most traditional systems. It delivers high quality treatment performance, which helps you to meet strict environmental standards, especially those areas within nutrient neutrality catchments. Plus, it runs incredibly quietly, which is ideal for residential properties. If you're building a brand new home or simply upgrading your current solution and you want a system that's reliable, low maintenance and cost efficient, then the One2Clean is probably the best choice for you. Next, we have the One2Clean Xtra. Think of this as more of an upgrade on the One2Clean system. It has the exact same features as the One2Clean system, however has a few extras to give you more control and reassurance over the system. The One2Clean Xtra offers safer and cleaner desludging. It comes with a sludge removal pipe, which is standard on larger systems and is optional for smaller domestic systems. This allows you to desludge the system without disturbing or damaging the internal components inside the tank, which reduces the risk of damage and keeps maintenance simpler. The second upgrade is the Advanced Control Panel. This allows you to add additional modules to your system. For example, if you need to meet stricter effluent standards, you could add dosing packages in order to meet those requirements. This helps you to manage the system a lot easier and gives you peace of mind regarding the performance of the system. The third upgrade is greater population options. Like the standard One2Clean system, it starts off at 5 population, but it can scale up to a 70 population system for those developments with greater influent loadings. So if you're looking for a system that has the efficiency and simplicity as the One2Clean, but you want extra safety when it comes to desludging and additional dosing packages, then the One2Clean Xtra might be the best fit for you. Finally, we have our One Advanced system. This is perfect for bigger developments, commercial applications, or those sites with stricter effluent requirements. What's unique about the One Advanced system, it's modular and scalable, and it can be scaled all the way up to a 1,000 population system, which can handle far greater loads than that of a domestic system. Like the One2Clean Xtra, it comes with an advanced control panel. This means it comes with a range of add-ons, and you add that to the base system, it's able to achieve excellent quality results, which is perfect for those sites with strict environmental regulations. So if you're working on a large development, a commercial application, or you need greater capacity whilst also ensuring you're meeting tight effluent standards, then the One Advanced is probably the right choice. To sum it all up, the One2Clean system is ideal for most homes as a simple, efficient and low maintenance. The One2Clean Xtra is the same as the standard system but offers you safer desludging and optional dosing packages, and the One Advanced is a system perfect for commercial applications and larger developments.